Hi, this is the Axkid Minikid 4 Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install it in the car. As most other car seats up to 125 centimeters, the Axkid Minikid 4 Pro uses tether straps. I have already attached the straps to the car just to make this video a bit faster, but I will post a link to my video on how to do the tether straps in the description below. The Minikid 4 Pro has a recline foot that is tucked away underneath, but I like to fold it out before I install the seat. And you do that by laying the seat on its back, and then you just push your thumbs on here and with your fingers swivel the foot until it clicks into place. You then place the seat rear facing in the car in back-to-back contact with the front seat. If you want to give the child more legroom, and you're able to in your car, you can move the front seat further forward to take the whole car seat back, so it still maintains contact here but increases this gap here. You're allowed to move it back as far as this yellow line allows. The yellow line can be on the edge of the vehicle seat but not beyond. To start the installation, you open the zip, lift this cover to reveal a green seatbelt clamp, which you open like this. And you pull out the seatbelt and give yourself enough length to be able to, I always like to take the buckle tongue to the opposite corner because that's roughly the amount of length that you need. Double it up, and then you pass the buckle tongue into this green hole here. Then pass it through its belt path with the green clip open and come out of this green hole here on this side and buckle it in. Then pull the slack out of the belt by pulling the diagonal belt, which removes the slack from the lap belt down here. Pull it as tight as possible. Push your hand onto the seat whilst pulling the belt with the other hand, and then you pull it through. Hold it tight in this hand to hold that tension, and then you lock the green clip, push it down and lock it into place like this. And then you finish it off by closing the panel, fastening the zip, and then the yellow tab on the end of the zip tucks away underneath that little bit of fabric there in the corner. Now the tether straps that are already attached to this car's front seat's runner rails have a hook on the end, and that hook attaches to this little metal bar here on the back of the seat. To attach the tether straps, it's always easiest to do the one that's furthest away from you, so in the middle of the car first, because if you do this side first, you can't reach the other side. So I'm now going to go down into the footwell, just making sure there are no twists in the strap. And this hook, as I said a minute ago, attaches to this little metal bar just there, and it then pulls tight like that. And then the second one is attached to the metal bar here on the back, and you pull that one tight. And now you just need to tighten the tether straps a little bit more because they're still a bit floppy. So you just take the strap that's at the top, and that one is the adjuster that pulls it tight. So again, I'm doing this one first, just pull it really, really tight. And to do the other one, it's always easier to climb into the front and do it through the middle. Just pull it really, really tight till you've removed all the slack from the bottom strap. And the next thing you need to do is extend the leg down to the floor. So again, I'm going to go down into the footwell. The leg needs to be pulled out as far as these retaining straps allow. A bit windy. Press that button, the leg will come down. Push the leg down to the floor and maybe back a little bit until that button pops back out. And then the final step is to attach the side impact block. Now this one is not the right colour for this model of car seat, but it's the only one I've got on me, so we're going to do a green one. What you need to do is remove the cover from the side, just pull it off like this, and then on the back of the impact block there are 4 little bits that go into those 4 little holes. So you just line them up and push it down. So that's how you install the Axkid Minikid 4 Pro. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very soon.